Alright, let's do this.
Seville is very majestic.
After spending a couple of days in Barcelona, it was time to explore the south of Spain. Also known as Andalusia, it is a vibrant and historical destination that offers a wide range of attractions and experiences.
The short Game of Thrones.
So, our adventure begins in the capital of Andalusia, Seville. Located in the heart of sunny Spain, we flew from Barcelona to Seville, and the flight took about an hour. The airport is about 25 minutes from the town center. So once we arrived, we hopped on a bus and head straight to our Airbnb. We checked into our accommodation and met our host Maria. She showed us around the house, how to use the coffee machine, and even gave us a guide on what to see. This was her home, and I guess you could say it was our first time being in a proper Spanish household. Her house was small, but quaint, and it felt homey. Once we were settled in, it was time to explore the city. Seville offers numerous of parks, and tucked away in Maria Luisa Park is a beautiful plaza called Plaza de Espana.
This place is so huge and the architecture is next level. You guys should come and see the detail.
Alright, so Joe, let's go check it out.
This architectural gem was built in 1929. It features beautiful architecture, a charming canal running through the center, and colorful tiles representing different Spanish provinces. You'll see these tiles everywhere, in different shapes and forms, and one of them being benches that run along the building. We decided to pick a spot, have our lunch here while admiring the beauty of the plaza. After that, we took a leisurely stroll through the building, and upstairs, there are these balconies that offer a picturesque view of the area.
I think it's very majestic in terms of architecture-wise. The detail of the architecture here is insane. Like small bit pieces of the marble tiles or detail. I'm not into architecture, but this is nice. This is amazing. You guys should come if you guys in Seville.
While we were there, we got pretty lucky and saw our very first flamenco performance. Seville is considered the birthplace of flamenco, and witnessing this live is a must-do here. Next on our agenda is to go on a walking tour around the charming neighborhood of Triana.
We are here at Toro del Ore, waiting for our walking tour. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Situated on the west bank of the river, Triana is a neighborhood with a distinct character and rich cultural heritage. One of the main highlights has to be Calle Betis. It's a street that offers vibrant ambiance with its charming buildings and lively restaurants that run along the river. Exploring Triana offers a chance to immerse yourself in the authentic spirit of Seville.
So we're here in Triana.
So our walking tour ended around sunset, and our guide Claudia suggested that we watch the sunset by the river next to the iconic Triana Bridge. And that's what we did.
Here so far it's really chilled, very slow pace, very relaxed. Everything here is very old, very historical, ancient, and I guess you can say diverse. The history can be quite diverse. So if you like history, then this is a really nice place to be.
The next day was a Saturday, thus we began our day by walking along the river. Flowing through the heart of the city, the Gualjueve River played a significant role in shaping the city's history, culture, and landscape. There are many activities that you can do here, such as taking a leisure walk, taking a cruise, or even join their water sports activities. From our stroll along the river, we dipped into the historical center of Seville. It's also known as Santa Cruz Quarter or Jewish Quarter. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is filled with maze-like streets, hidden squares, and centuries-old architecture.
Make sure you stroll around the streets to see flamenco dances performing by the streets. Don't forget to give a little tip to support them.
Seville Cathedral is the largest Gothic cathedral in the world, and the Alcazar is a royal palace built for a Christian king that was built on a Muslim fortress. We wandered through the enchanting old town, exploring narrow streets, finding something fascinating around each corner. As we walked along this narrow street, Helmy could smell the scent of freshly baked cookies. And of course, we had to get some. We even came across this wooden structure called Setes de Seville or Las Setes, and apparently it is one of the largest wooden structures in the world. Alright, so after all that walking, we were feeling kinda hungry. Claudia suggested that if we wanted to try some delicious, fresh seafood tapas, then we should head to Triana Market. As the locals call it, Mercado de Triana, this bustling market is filled with a wide range of fresh produce, local delicacies, and traditional food stalls. So the stall that Claudia recommended was stall number 22. It's run by this Spanish man and the food looked tasty. Tapas is a delicacy here. It is served on a small plate and surprisingly, it was quite filling. As the journey comes to an end, we can't help but feel captivated by the magical allure of Seville. Its rich history, stunning architecture, and warm-hearted people made this trip truly unforgettable. We are blessed to have met Maria and Claudia at the beginning of our Andalusian trip, although we met briefly, but their kindness and enthusiasm to share their culture made Seville a lot more meaningful. We are absolutely grateful to have crossed paths. Alright, so for the next few days, we will be setting off on our Andalusia road trip. Our next destination is Cordoba and Granada.
This is one of the best sunset spots in Cordoba. You can chill here while listen to people.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and until our next adventure, don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram. Hey, where next?